Now we will discuss stopping distance, or sometimes we call stopping side distance. So stopping distance or stopping side distance. In fact, stopping side distance or SSD is more popular. So what is this? It means like whatever distance I need to stop my vehicle. So say I am driving on a road. I saw an object and I thought about it that I need to apply brake. I applied brake and then the car stopped after traveling to some distance. This complete path is called stopping distance. Why do we call stopping side distance? Because this is the distance I need to see. Whenever I drive on a road, I must see this amount of distance anytime for any case. Okay, so how to calculate? Again, it has two component. One is here, one is there. So what is this component? This component is called perception reaction time. Perception reaction distance. What is this? That means I saw an object. It may be a big bad wolf, or another car, another stalled car, or some object or a stone on my road. So I saw something, then I thought about it. Then that means I need to apply brake. Okay, then I apply brake. So up to this, my car will drive some distance. That is this. What is this? 1.47 VT. V is speed in mile per hour. So here this speed is mile per hour. T is perception reaction time. I wrote here driver perception reaction time. Commonly we use 2.5 second. It depends on people to people, age to age. Typically it varies from 1.37 second to 7.8 second. Uh, yeah, depending on people. So on an average we use, it's not average, it's most likely value 2.5 second. That means I saw an object, I thought about it that I need to apply brake, then I applied brake. So this time is perception reaction time 2. Why 1.47? To convert mile per hour to feet per second, because this s will be in feet. So I need to convert mile per hour to feet per second. So this equation is very famous. We use it in many places in dynamics, traffic analysis, highway design, many places. So make sure you understood this equation properly. Even in FE exam, very important, there is a guarantee that you will get a question based on this. So what is V? V is mile per hour, T is second, and 1.47 will convert mile per hour to feet per second, and this unit will be feet. Now what is this component? This component is called braking distance. That means after applying brake, how much distance it will travel to before stopping. So that is my speed. Again, the speed that we were driving in mile per hour. Again, mile per hour. This is A is the deceleration rate. Typically we use 11.2 feet per second square, or in meter per second square is most probably 3.4 something. So we can convert it. Maybe it's roughly 3.4 meter per second square. In US unit, 11.2 feet per second square. That is the deceleration. What is plus minus g? That is the grade, and this should be in fraction. So whatever your grade, say your grade is 5%, that means g is 5 by 100 in fraction. Plus minus, if is uphill then plus, downhill minus. Why uphill plus? If it is uphill, you need less distance before stopping, because uphill you can stop your car easily. Now if it is plus, denominator is higher, that means that this value will be lower. So again, uphill means plus, and it is a fraction. A is deceleration, and that is 11.2 feet per second square, or in meter, most probably 3.4 meter per second square. This um, then hopefully you understood this equation. Make sure you understood it. It is very important for dynamics class, traffic analysis class, highway design class, in FE exam. Very important, very important, and very confusing because V is in mile per hour. This will be in um, feet, and T most probably it may not be given in problem. use 2.5 because that is the ASTO recommendation. ASTO recommendation is 2.5, this t value. So we will okay, maybe see an example here, very short example and very clear. So design speed of a high is 103 mile per hour, uphill grade 1%, reaction time is 2.5 second. If the car see an object ahead decelerate at 30 meter per second square, what will be the stopping side distance? So V is given 103 mile per hour. We will not change the unit because that equation uses mile per hour. T is given 2.5. So we saw B, we saw V, we saw T, we saw V. What is our A? A is our deceleration, 30 feet per second square. So A is given 30. Typically this value is 11.2. Okay, then G, why 0.01? Because is 1%, so 1 divided by 100, and it is uphill. Uphill means is positive. Okay, after calculation we got 754 feet. Again to remind, V is in mile per hour, G is in fraction, uphill means positive, down means negative. What is SSD? SSD means stopping side distance. Sometimes we call simply S. So hopefully you understood stopping side distance theory and an example. Thank you.